Okay, what's the market doing? 50-50 challenge, make 50 before you lose 50. The market is bullish. This could be the fifth day in a row for the NASDAQ or the MNQ. We're trading the micros here. Could be the fifth day in a row that it's going up here. Day chart. So we're above, it's green. It hasn't cleared previous day's high yet, but it could. Anything could happen though. But right now we're on the bullish tone according to the day chart. Oh, how the other time chart's looking? Well, it's looking pretty good, mostly on this side. We're getting some chop now as the bell opens. We wanted to stay on this side, but now look at this candle here. So that could just ruin the whole day. First, we're looking bullish on everything. Bullish, 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 even right here. And then, so we don't know what's going on as the bell opens here in less than 1 minute. Anything can happen. So let's wait for the bell to open, and then we will see how we're going to handle it.
Order filled.
Go down. Keep going.
Stop filled.
Gosh, break even. It's just too choppy. Well, see, it would have stopped me out for a full loss right there. Well, that was a good attempt, I think. Right here is the only trade I'm taking this morning. It's just I figured it tested the dashed lines, very important dashed lines. It consolidated and continued down. When I saw it consolidate and continue down, then it rolled back up and started to go here again. You got to try it. So that's a perfect setup when you got the structure here. But and it's breaking down below. So that's what we did. I saw the breakout. My stop was right here. As it started pushing, I brought my stop right down here to break even. And the reason why I brought it all the way to break even and not just a little bit lower, you got these two pintails right here. Once I saw those two pintails and then the red candle took off down to the bottom, I said, okay, it's either going to keep going or I'm going to break even. And that's what happened. I brought my stop all the way down right there to break even. Because if this candle didn't continue down, then it's going to come back up. And that's exactly what happened. So I'm done with the live stream. I just wanted to catch that. That's all. That's good. I'm glad I handled it that way. I'm trying to decide if I want to take a chance and go long now because I like what I'm seeing on the lower time charts. Even though we still got this choppy mess going on in the higher time charts, we might be able to catch these short turnarounds. Look at this pintail taking place. What a gigantic porcupine. 5-minute chart. If I were to take a trade here, it would be something like these two pintails right here. This would have been my trade setup. Let me see if I would have made anything on that. Yeah, we would have got a 1-to-1 on that. Take it right there, 1-to-1 or break even. So that's the trade setup. I like the candle formations off the top of the moving averages as we tried to sell off. Came back up, bounced off those dash lines, and then boom, gave me an opportunity right there. That was the perfect setup. Even though it didn't go very far, 1-to-1, this kind of market right here is a 1-to-1 market. Here's another good setup.
Order filled.
I'll give it a shot. Let's see if it'll go up a little bit more. I hope. This is probably going to be where I stop for the day if it doesn't work here. Come on, just give me something on it, please. Go on up there. Go back up there. Give me something.
Order filled.
I can't
Order
wait around
canceled.
for it. Can't wait around for it. I just don't trust the market. See that I like these pintails again. Got long. I got too high. I wanted to catch it lower, so that threw me off. And then it just kept putting in this resistance, and I don't know. I guess it's just the overall market feel to it that I don't trust it. Today I don't trust it. So I'm going to watch how this trade plays out and see if I would have Well, obviously, I'm not going to keep my stop down here once it gets higher and higher. Move your stop, come to break even as fast as possible. But what I did was I just took a couple ticks off of it. At this point, I probably would have, once it takes this long to go anywhere, you got to go to break even. So this could have been even break even anyway. Yeah. I like to grab profits quick, break even quick. So anyway, we're done with the live stream. I'll see you next time.